Me when I'm at a place with more than too many dudes. Too many dudes. Gotta shoot them in their face hole. That was a crazy thing to put on screen. Well, they have to do one kill. Human kill, beast kill, vibe kill. Hi, Agent Anthony. Good to see you. Welcome. Select. Gotta have the guy who's learning to be human to be normal. Cactus Queen, take care. It was great to have you. Great to see you. Take care. Have good sleep. See me around the room and I think it's bubbles. Alloy is clearly known to be a corruption of the word alloy, which is huh? I like that. That's kind of what I was thinking as well, right? With the name like Aloy, it's like it's gotta be a planet Alloy. Hello? Who are you? You're a merchant. Okay, can I sell you things? Do I have things to sell to you? I sure do, bestie.
Oh, you really keep going.
Oh,
I heard that.
he loves wiping his sticky hands all over everything. We just celebrated his 42nd birthday. Okay, what about... What do we need to buy? She's like 2.5. Huh? Have babies. I always talk about the terrible twos that when kids are 2 years old that they're assholes. Did you say that that's accurate?
No.
Play movie? What? They got a little preview movie. Oh, that's so cute. Long range combat with target precision. I just thought it was a cool name. You when I name my fictional characters and I name my D&D character. Oh, I just thought it was a cool name, to be honest. I just thought it sounded cool. Oh, there's so many outfits. Oh, I need special stuffs to get them. Holy moly. These are sick as hell. Okay, I'm definitely getting a cute outfit. You can't stop me. Yay! I like that. That was very cute. What? She looks good. Do it. Lemon slices or anything to it?